हम ऐसे ही करते हैं भाई।
फिर क्या मतलब है? सीधा रखो, देख कैसे रखा है बंद कर एक मिनट।
अब बंद नहीं हो सकता।
होता है।
Hello everyone, audible to everyone? If yes, then please reply on chat or send the message on chat.
मौला ऑनलाइन 7:30 गए।
Hello everyone. How are you doing? Audible to everyone? Audible to everyone? Yes. Oh, that's great. You can also react, thumbs up and something like this. Yeah. So how many people studied whatever we have been covered in last 2 sessions? Do I have anyone have any doubt? How exam going on? So not yet. Okay. I don't study. I remember all the topic discussed. Oh, that's great. Great, Anand. So, any updates on project? How many people started the project? How many people started the project? No one started the project. Okay. So I think no, sir. So deadline is coming soon. You have to start your project. Otherwise, you will not able to eligible for the interview. And if you are not eligible for the interview, then you will not eligible for the leaderboard. And if you are not able to do your project, then no interview. No interview. That means you will not able to live on the deadline is before Sunday. Deadline is, I will type it here, before Sunday 11:59 p.m. Okay, you have to upload, and the upload link is available our course academy.hidevs.xyz. When you are go here, then you will able to get it. Extend is not possible. Can you can apply after your deadline as well, but it impact on your marks. Okay, that's the simple logic. If you submit after few time or after the deadline, then it will impact on your marks, and that marks we have to give you on the leaderboard, and basis on the leaderboard only our companies will hire you. So you have to focus over there where I do upload my work. So here's the website, here's the Gen AI workforce program. You will enroll it, you will get the link in that program. Okay, so that you will get it. So I think we have the good number of people now. So let's start today's session. So there are the few things that I want to cover today. So let's start. Let me share my screen. Give me a bit. Once it's visible, let me know. Screen is visible to everyone. It's visible. Please reply. So we'll start. Yes, that's great. So there are the few things that we are going to cover today. So this is, oh, it's too small. Font size is Excel. Small, why? So let's do this. Yeah, LLM models. Okay, so I will make it large. Yeah, so LLM model. Now, if we talk about LLM models, so in that case, we have foundations model. Okay, foundation models. Now, whenever you are using any model, okay, whenever you are using any model, that doesn't mean that you are using the foundation model. No, it is not a case. The case is very simple, that you are using which model. I will tell you. There's a lot of, yeah. So you are using instruction tuning or fine tuning on instruction data set, so that what will happen, your model able to, yeah, so your model able to answer the questions like human are asking currently. Okay, on models. Okay, so whenever you are seeing any LLM model in open source. I am not talking about the closed source, because ChatGPT is a model, LLM model, but it is LLM instruct model, okay, which is fine-tuned on GPT 3/4/40, okay, or /40 mini, like this. So all they are fine-tuned on instruction dataset, so you can able to give the instruction and they will able to give the answer. So this is that you have to always remember. If we take the example of llama, okay, so llama have, take an example of llama, then llama have the few models, llama like llama, then 2, then 3, then 3.1, okay, then 3.2, all are the foundations model, okay, or base models. After that, what happen, they do the training, okay, or fine tuning on the instruction, okay, don't go on the spelling, okay, data set, so they will able to become llama instruct model. So this type of questions come into the your interview, so you have to make yourself comfortable this types of the understanding. So this is how the things will work, okay. Now if we'll see open source model, okay, let me open llama models. Let me share this. So llama models types, base and instruct, okay. So we'll go into the image. See, you will get something like here. Let's go here. Yeah, here it is. So we'll open, see, here it is. So this is llama 3.8 billion insect model. That means this is the base, and they did the training on the instructor data set and become it is an instruct, and this is now able to give your answer, okay, able to give your answer whatever that you are asking. But when you are directly using Meta Llama 3.8b, they will not give you the answer of your question. They will predict the next word. So that's what that you have to keep in your mind, because like this kind of questions come into the interview. So this is one interview tip here. Okay. Now what else that we have to do? There is one token. Okay. You have to count the token as well. Okay. So there is one tool is available. I will open that one. Tokenizer. So this is one tool is available. Okay. So see 3 token, 2 words, 13 character. So every model have different kind of the tokenizer method. Based on that, your token will be count. So you have to take care of your token count as well, because token is directly proportion to your pricing. The number of token that you can able to get from the model and you will able to send to the model always be vary. It is not fully what we can say like perfect, okay. If you will reach like 4096 is a token size, okay, so and you will able to get this one, okay, you get the token number is this, then you will get an error. So you have to take a limit of this one. So input token and response token size always be matter. So you have to make sure that your model will able to handle this whole scenarios. Okay, so you can able to get a good result when you are sending a large document, and okay, large document as well as history of the your chat. So in that case, you will, you have to make sure that you are not crossing this number of the tokens. Okay, so in that case, what you have to do, for the example sake of the example, you will do the summary of your history, summary of your history chat. Okay, because not every word is relevance. So what you will do, you will do the summary of your history chat. Okay, so this is a way that you will handle. Again, this will come into the interview. Okay, so you have to prepare yourself according to that. Okay, now we'll see there are the few methods, a few 8b means 10 on the, yes, 8 billion parameters, yes. Okay, now I will prefer everyone, there are the few tools that you have to look. Okay, the first one is grok. Whenever you are saying I need fastest inference, okay, so this is a grok, you need the fastest reply. Okay, so you have to, from LLM model, so you need to do grok only. There is only one cloud service is available in the market as a cloud service. I'm not saying on premises, not a locally, cloud services which giving the fastest inference, which is grok. Okay, there are the others as well, but this is a faster. So when you have the kind of this limitation, you need a fastest reply, you have the limitation of latency. Okay, so in that case you have to use a grok. And now there's one more, like there's not one more, there's the other as well, replicate is there. Okay, AWS bedrock is there. Okay, and any scale is there. Okay, so like this you will able to use it. Okay, there are a lot of the tools available that you can, platforms are available, with the help of that you will able to create the API and scale it. Okay, and use it. Now what I will suggest everyone, rather than rather than just directly jump on the chat GPT and start using the API, I will suggest use any of this platform and start using the different kind of the models. I will show you. Okay, I will show you. Just open the grok. Mm, it is opening. Yeah, so you can see this is a grok. Here the API key is available. Okay, oh, it's verifying the human. Yeah, so it is a API key is available, you have to create the API key. This is a playground. So system message, you are a superhero. Okay, let's see. So something, see how fast that you will get the token. Okay, and here you can change the model as well. So there are a lot of the models are available. 70 billion parameters model is also available. So this is how it's work. Okay, so you can use it. Temperature is there. So let's talk about the temperature as well. So temperature is the control of the randomness. If you will set like above 1 or above 0, the more towards the 1, the more randomness in your response. The lower to the, or tends towards the 0, that means that you are getting the uh, particular and not repetitive and not randomness in your response. So this will control the creativity, randomness in your response. Okay, maximum token also that you can able to do it. Okay, but it's totally depend what is the size of that particular model. If we will seeing that the size of like this one, so see 70 billion 8192. Okay, and if we will see this one, its size is, token size is 32k. So that's totally depend what model is of what size. So that's why you have to take care, because all these questions come into the interview. I'm pretty much like giving you the hints that that kind of questions will be come into the interview, so you have to prepare according to that. Documentation is already available, you can go and just directly use it. So this is a like very good, grok is very good, you can directly go and use it. So that's what about the grok and fastest inference that currently is provided by the grok itself. Okay. Okay, so there is a bunch of the questions, sir. Any service available Azure, because I have access? Yes, Azure have the proper like APIs case. With the help of that, you can able to use the all services which is available in. Yeah. So Grok is free to use. Yeah, they are providing few credits. With the help of that, you will able to use it. And in what context you define that you are a superhero system? There is no context. I am just giving the role based kind of thing, that you have to be a role, that you are giving a role. Okay, you are a superhero, you have to behave like this. So this kind of things that I am doing. Can I use the party rock for the project? That's totally up to you, but first project that we are saying, no coding is required. You only have to do the prompt. You have to submit your prompt, and that prompt should be able to make sure it will work open source as well as the chat gpt. You will go and test on the chat gpt, it will work. But i will check I will check that prompt on the different models as well. So if you want to give the different prompts for the different models, we are happy to take it. But make sure your prompt will be work for the top three open source models as well. So higher the temperature, creative outputs. Yes, definitely, that's it is Narendra. Okay, so this is about the bit like token and all these things. Now there's one more thing that everyone is asking to me, so that's one I want to give. This is the LLM leaderboard. Okay, whenever you are go into the company what not going to be answer and not going to be give you a direct kind of like, okay, you have to use this one. No company will give you this one that you have to use, where you have to apply your own knowledge. Okay, this is a use case. So you can see best in coding. So human eval is best for the coding, mmlu best for the multitask, and math is obvious, looks like but math. Now when the people are and the projects are saying and the company are saying to you ki you have to do the project and the use case where we have to generate the code, so in that case you have to take the decision on the basis of all this: OpenAI, Sonnet, GPT-4, Llama, like this. When you are go for the multitask reasoning, so you can able to take this particular models. And fastest and most affordable models: llama 8b, low latency, you can see cheapest model, input and output. So this is all the comparison that you have to take in your mind whenever you are choosing a model. Okay, context size, cutoff, input output, maximum output token, latency, throughput, and there is a very good model comparison. So this is one. This is multi-choice reasoning, Python coding, future capabilities, grade school math problem. So you will able to see uh, OpenAI is good in 94% in math one. Okay, if I will see on the Python coding, so who is best? Again the OpenAI. But your company is limited to you that you don't have to use OpenAI. You don't have to use OpenAI. Okay, you have to use open source model. So in that case, what will we do? So we will go and see what the available in model comparison in open source. So let's see llama. So llama is there. Okay, I will do the Python coding, and this is llama 3, 81%. Okay, and other one is llama 3 8b 62. So you will go with this one. But if I will do the math problem, okay, with the math problem of the open source, so in that condition what will happen? So you have to choose again llama is there. So this is the way that you will able to take a decision. So this is a good list. Again, cost and context window comparison is also there. You can see which model is context length, input output cost. Okay, and human eval coding leaderboard is there. Okay, and this is like the proper like comparison that have to be put in your like knowledge whenever that someone you, so you should know which model is best in which category. Okay, so you do not go directly on the, yeah, I will share the link, don't worry. Okay, so you do not have to directly jump on the particular like say, okay, I will do the model, I will use the OpenAI model. No, it will not work. It will not work. Okay, so you have to take decision from the data perspective. This is a model, why? Okay, and all this kind of the things. Any questions? Any questions? Anyone have any questions related to it? Because all this data will help you take a decision into your project, when you are choosing a project, when you are just applying a particular models. Getting my point? So there is a lot of model. How do we know the comparison of? There is a best models available on this one. You don't have to do the all model comparison. You have to choose the best one in which the use case that you are building your particular particular uh, use case, project, product, idea, whatever it is. So all parameter on which model will be, sir? All parameters on which model? Sorry, I didn't get your question, Narendra. Please rephrase it. Okay, till that I will open, there's one more interesting thing. Any other questions? No questions? Okay, let's move ahead. So there is a comparison, Mistral versus Llama. Okay, proper comparison is there. Images. Okay, so there's a lot of like comparison tables are there, but you have to choose which one is a good and which one is a bad. So that's totally depend on your use case. So you have to take care of all that numbers. Most important numbers, I will share it. I will tell it again. Pricing. Okay, accuracy. Okay, and latency. Okay, and cloud costing. This is like API costing. Okay, or LLM API, what we can say, LLM models API costing, accuracy, latency, and cloud costing. Okay, so this is the most important things on pointers that you all have to be worry about it when you are choosing a number. Okay, yeah, what is the surprise? Yeah, that's a good question. Let's wait for it. Okay, so this is all things that you have to, LLM models, API pricing, accuracy, latency, and cloud hosting. Okay, so all these things that you have to take care of it when you are just choosing a particular model. Got it? Any questions on this one? Because I will tell you there is one more thing that you have to be take care of your mind. So whenever you are just going for the project requirement, Okay, then in your report you have to create all this particular comparison. Okay, and after that your project, then requirement, then all this comparison will be come into the picture. And after that, like, you will choose, okay, this model that we have to use. And not only single model will going to be work, no, you have to just look around, the different models are available, and you have to apply every model and see the accuracy, pricing. And after that, you will choose, okay, this model will go into the production, but sometimes particular model is not working well in the production, then you have to make the changes in your the proper like prompt and all these things. So that's why you have to make sure that you are choosing everything is very nicely. Okay, so that's is very important to, like, it's very important for everyone. Okay, got it? Anyone have any questions? Yeah, we'll do the mini projects as well. Don't worry about it. Week by week we will do. Things sound easy but really complex. Yeah, it is complex for now, but I bet you once you will complete all the 6 weeks, then I'm very much giving you the surety that you will able to become a good Gen AI developer, engineer, programmer, whatever that you can say. Okay, so don't worry about it. Don't worry. I'm giving the surety from my side. Okay, so this is the things that I want to share with you. If anyone have any doubt, but you guys have had no doubt, so that's not good thing. You have to focus on your study. Otherwise, the things will go worse on your leaderboard, and people will not take you into the company. So you have to focus over there. Okay, got it? Got it? Okay. So let's now talk to the surprise. So any guesses? What can be the surprise will be? Just do any guesses. Credit to use LLMs. No. Any other guesses? Phone Pay Cash, free OpenAI API key. Currently, we are talking with the Microsoft Office. Sorry, Microsoft Azure. So if they will provide the API key, then we will provide you as well. So don't worry about it. Okay, we are in the conversation. Any other? All are looking for the credits. Any other guesses? How to make a no-code project that I cannot no. Okay, so no. Okay, so I will share my screen. I will not reveal the full surprise. Okay, see, everyone able to see it? Now tell me what is it is. Can anyone guess what is this? Talent Scout. Any guesses? What this look like? Till that I will drink water. Anyone? What it can be? LLM for ideas? Knowledge test? No. Your own chatbot? No. Anyone else? Interview will be held here. No. Looking for hiring. No. Okay, I will tell you. Okay. So this is the search engine where your all profiles who are going to complete the proper test, like you can see that there is one test button. Okay. So if a particular person or the candidate who are going to take the test and able to crack 70% from this test, then that person or the candidate is eligible to be part of this world's first talent search engine that we created. So this is a surprise. So like on the Google you are searching for the resources. Now this is one search engine which is available for all the companies, okay, across the globe, is available to search you. Okay, so you have to just give the test, be the part of this search engine, that's it. And people will start searching for the skills and they will get your profile. So this is how it works. One second, it's lagging. I will stop few things so that will help. Yeah. Okay. So what sort of the test? Totally depend on you based on your resume. Resume will be take, and after that you will be able to the like interviewer will able to ask you on the basis on your resume as well. Questions are resources preparation not access for this test. No, nothing is there. Whatever is listed in your resume, the question will be asked from there. Okay, and it is not available, it is not valid only for the Gen AI. Anyone can use it. So this is the surprise that we are working on. The first part has been complete, we are working on the second part. Soon I'm going to launch it. So now tell me like how it's look like. You can take the screenshot and just go and share on the LinkedIn, because you are the only one who just look it into it. Currently I also not put it from my LinkedIn as well. So you can take the screenshot and just share on the LinkedIn, because this is like this is not available in the internet. No one is building something like this. So people take a screenshot. Yes, thank you. That's it's look like amazing for all of you. So that will make your life easy because you are available on our search engine. Sir, grade will try to appear in the test after thorough preparation. That's totally depend on you. Okay, you can take the call, because we are not forcing anyone, because we are not taking any money. So that's the one thing that we are taking. We need the three things: hard work, commitment, and dedication. If you are able to give this one, then we are able to give you the job. Okay, got it? So how's the surprise? Looks good, everyone? Can we give the second attempt if we fail? Yes, you can give the second attempt, but only three attempts. Limit is three attempts. And if you will able to fail or your marks is less than three, then that will be the problem then. Okay. I want to be the data scientist. Thank you, sir. Impressive surprise. Thank you, Anand. Okay, then I think that's it for today. Anyone have any doubt, then please share the okay in the community. Will help you. And don't forget to share all these things that you are studying on the LinkedIn, because you are not sharing that, I get to know. So you have to focus on that. Otherwise the things will be works, things will not works good for you all, because you are not eligible for the job, people are not able to recognize you. So there's a lot of things going here and there, so you have to focus on the your personal branding for this community. Thank you, Narendra, that's great. Okay then, bye, take care, bye, and don't forget to share on the LinkedIn, okay, that you are the part of this one and you are doing a lot of things. Okay, bye everyone, take care, bye. We'll meet on Monday with the new week, new things, new learnings, and be prepared. Next week we are going to do coding, so be prepared, coding is coming. Okay, bye, take care.